Do you withdraw profits from your Forex account? Probably not, because almost no one does. The brokers push you to continue funding your account. Influencers show trading with millions of dollars, expensive cars, luxury houses, and if you have $1,000 account, you would be reluctant to withdraw profits because you are chasing this dream, and you should chase your dreams. But as Denzel Washington says, dreams without goals are just dreams. So the first goal is to make profits, and the next is to withdraw them, or at least part of them. So let me tell you why that is important to ensure you stay profitable in the market. I'll start with one of my live accounts with Black Bull Markets that I funded with $1,000, and initially it went on a small loss, but then steadily it climbed above $1,790. And at that moment I requested a withdrawal, and actually it wasn't really a request, because with Black Bull Markets you can just move funds from one account to another easily, and I showed that in a video. This video was published on the 22nd of April 2024, and if I show you that moment over here, you will see the following. I already have a live account that has a balance of $1,790, and with one click I'll refresh the page and you will see that I have $200 in each and $960 left in the account. Right, so obviously it wasn't with one click. I paused the video, I funded the 4 accounts, and I started trading these accounts. But the point is that the account where I left $960 is now recovering. This is the withdrawal. It was left down to 960, and now you can see that balance is climbing again and is actually going towards another 50% profit. So is that something to be afraid of? I don't think so. I used the money to trade another 4 accounts, and these 4 accounts now are profiting as well, and you can see that in the live trading section in the academy. So the accounts are listed here and they already made great returns, and in this way I'm not depending just on the expert advisors in that first account. They made profit, good, I will keep trading them, but I've made a withdrawal and I used that money to open another 4 accounts where I am trading now more expert advisors. I achieve better risk diversification, and most importantly, I stay away from the greed that I want to build that account to millions. And to be honest, it's nearly impossible, and 2, this is not my goal. I don't want to focus my trading on one account and one strategy. Even if I find the very best one, I am always eager to test more strategies and robots, to have more accounts and to diversify the risk and to experiment and to explore the world of trading with expert advisors, because it looks like an amazing opportunity to have many expert advisors and to trade them on many different brokers. And before I share with you exactly when I decide to withdraw profits, I need to say that using a regulated broker is a must, especially when you trade with expert advisors. You need a broker like Black Bull, where you can have different accounts on different platforms, trade different assets like Forex, commodities, equities, indices, metals, and you can start without any limitation. The minimum with the ECN standard account is $0, which means that you can start with as much as you are comfortable. If you meet a broker that requests a minimum and they call you over the phone and they request your credit card details, stay away from these guys. This is a scam, and hundreds and thousands of people are being scammed daily over the phone from scam brokers. So make sure you use a regulated broker like Black Bull Market certificates. You can check all the regulations on the bottom of the landing page, and I'll leave the link down below in the description so you can test the broker with a demo and live account. And I'll be happy that I introduced you to a regulated broker and that you're staying away from the scam. And once you have a profitable robot, and this video is not about robots that I trade, I'll leave the links to all of the accounts so you can see which robots I am trading at the time of recording the video. This video is to motivate you to withdraw your profits. As you saw with this live account, nothing really dramatic happened. I have moved the funds to another 4 live accounts, and now the account is recovering again. It is making more money for me, and if you're curious which is this account, I will leave it down below in the description as well. So my system to withdraw profits is once I reach 50%. This is where I feel comfortable to withdraw my profits from the account. So this account started with $1,000 of balance. Once it passed the 50% mark, I decided to use the capital and fund another 4 accounts. I have shown withdrawals with other platforms, and I showed to you that I use some of the money for donations. Obviously, I use the money for my family, my expenses, my team as well. But my purpose is to show realistic trading, and this is where I want to be useful to the community and to everyone. I know that many influencers make much more money by showing luxury houses, expensive cars, and the way of life they are living. I don't want that life, guys. I'm happy with the life I have. I want to be useful by showing realistic results, which will save you the time to lose money with fake robots and lose money with scam brokers. Obviously, in some of my videos I leave affiliate links which bring some extra income for my team, and this way I can cover the cost of all of the trading that we are doing, and this way we can afford to trade so many accounts and to show the results publicly and to keep them up to date as well with the challenges that we have and with the funded accounts. And thanks to all of you that are watching my videos until the end and using the affiliate links and supporting me, I have the capabilities of opening new accounts, looking for more expert advisors, hiring more traders to help me with the whole thing, and this is exactly what makes me happy. And I'm sure you will be a little bit happier if you learn and get used to withdrawing your profits. So tell me, are you withdrawing your profits? When was the last time you've made a withdrawal? Let me know down below in the comments.